fun begins.
In this first game, you guys, my team and I go against an entire team of rentals, and things get pretty toxic.
The fact that
Enjoy.
we're just strolling over here.
I feel like I'm on patrol.
Right?
Like,
Hello there.
I just heard that kid get hit. I mean, come on. Oh, there's one pushing up, Sean, right here. The whole rental crew is right there, right in front of you. Right here. Is that your grenade?
yeah. Did you have to tell ref to call game?
What?
Did you have to tell him to call game? Or
Nah, just fucking roll with it. I don't know how many times I have to shoot some of these kids though.
Bro, I feel bad.
I do too. This is rough.
I feel bad.
Got him. I think those two guys are out right there. I don't even know.
That guy's out. There's a couple guys coming.
There's a couple coming?
Yeah.
Yeah, here comes one. They're trying to lay down. I got him.
Just one ball. You guys are pinning them.
Yeah, this is a little toxic. I ain't even gonna lie.
There's two over there in the corner. You got it.
To your right, to your right. He's hit. Thank you. I hate using full auto too, but these mags just aren't feeding in this gun too good.
You can call 2 minutes. I'm just murdering these guys.
I know, I see it.
1 minute!
Murdered that kid. Yeah, we are. Dude, I'm not even at the low ready. I'm just sitting here waiting for the next one to come. Yeah, that was way too far, yeah.
We'll just go defend, or we'll attack. Okay. Alright, I'm going. Medic!
Well, I'm gonna have to go reload because I fucking just blown through my mags.
Yeah, there's plenty of people up there too. Game over! Dude, I shot
I did too.
I wasn't even. Y'all happy?
That was bad.
To do this?
That was bad. That was
almost embarrassing.
Yeah, that was toxic.
They were. I feel like a dick.
Yeah.
And
I felt bad.
I know they're not too happy with this experience. I checked 2 of my mags; they were totally empty. All right, that'll make things a little better.
A teammate and I did end up switching teams to make things a little more fair.
Lines are just castle. Correct. Gotcha. Cool.
Hey, try not to hang back to spawn. I don't know if you guys have experience, but try to push up and keep them from getting in too close.
And communicate.
Yeah.
No, no, it's too close, bro.
Oh, shit. Oh!
Right behind you at that pole.
Oh shit, there's a guy right here. Look out! It.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Look at this dude.
It's giving you the finger.
Yeah.
Oh! I like tried to roll out of the way of the fucking babies. Fucking. Did you try strolling it?
I'm trying to
Stroll the bottom?
stroll the bottom.
Yeah, it's a high cap. Stroll that thing like 15 times.
Oh, really?
You're dry firing as well, I think, boss. There.
Sorry,
No, you're good. No, that's okay. I think it's shooting. Jesus. Yeah, it's good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. That's what it's all about. Having fun. Brian, don't you fucking lie. Don't you fucking lie to me, Brian. Brian.
Double kill.
Ooh. Alright. There's one right here on my left.
1 minute!
Didn't you already say that? Oh! You are hit, right? Okay. That's game! Game!
Stick around, you guys, for some DMR gameplay coming up next.
Brian, watch this. Like, alright, so that building. I don't know if you can see this flying or not.
Well, you might need another one.
See him?
No, not really.
Here,
Is that
shoot
the
it.
same can that's on your pistol?
Shoot that building.
It's not getting as far as that, but I guarantee that gets farther.
Yeah, you want to shoot that once?
I guarantee that's far. That shoots farther than my cross.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I can't even see him going out there.
They're that fast, yeah. Shit's ridiculous.
Yeah, this thing shoots lovely, man. For
4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm going this way. I want to shoot at people. No way. No fucking way. Okay. Oh shit, what's up, dude?
Double kill.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Oh, oh, hit. Good shot. I didn't know if you were in or not. I'm just sitting here just like, is he in?
I'm out.
What's that, boss?
Yeah, there's a respawn.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Sorry. Ooh, sinkhole. Yeah, I see him. Yeah. Got him. Got him. Oh, hit. Good shit.